One reason that I actually prefer JustHost to any other web hosting company is the fact that JustHost will allow you more coding control. Here I am where I have when I first got into web design, I actually put the church that I'm a part of on HostGator because HostGator was the most popular, one of the more popular web hosting companies in addition to GoDaddy at the time. So I decided to put our my church onto this website as their web designer and developer. And right now, as you can see, I'm going through a support ticket where I want to increase because the church website uses WordPress as its content management system, and I customize themes and that sort of thing. But instead of giving me the leisure and freeway to actually increase the max file size for myself, I have to actually go through support in order to do that. Whereas I can go to JustHost, upload a php.ini file, and just increase the max file size on my own without going through hosting. Without going through a support ticket or anything like that. So that's one initial reason why I prefer JustHost to any other company, or it just adds to the many reasons is freedom of control and just ease of using all this, extra control. I gotta go through support to do something simple like this. So that's one part of the video, and I will actually show you that how I actually did that in one of my websites on JustHost as well. All right, so as we can see, I am actually going through support to try to increase my max file size for my website for media. As you can see, it's only maximum at 64, and this is with HostGator still. We're still doing it with this. And the support guy is telling me that because I am on a shared plan, I do not have access, or they cannot even increase my maximum file size for me to upload larger files into my WordPress website. And this is HostGator, which is why I am promoting JustHost, because when you go through these name brand sites, you have to go through all these upsells and upgrades and pay more money to have access to this. Whereas with JustHost, no matter what the plan actually is, you actually have you have opportunity in order to upload and increase your maximum file size verbatim to anything that you want to. And I will show you once again in the next in my next videos, in the next part of this video. So yeah, that's what we're dealing with. All right, so here we are in my DeshaunJohnson.com, my very own self-titled website, my personal website, and my maximum file size is 64 megabytes. So I'm going to actually show you through JustHost that I have access to increase this to whatever size I want by doing the basic the basic, according to WP Beginner, 64 megabytes. Well, actually, we're going to do it through the php.ini file method, where I can just add this code and I will be able to increase it no problem. All right, so from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to access my file manager under my cpanel, which is here, file manager. Okay, and we're going to do document root for DeshaunJohnson.com. Go to submit. Okay. And by the way, this is also shared, as you probably saw in the corner. This is also shared as well. Shared. And this is actually under my dljworks.com, which I have a lot of space. So we're going to go ahead, and we are already here. So now I'm going to go to blog, because it's under blog. And now I'm going to go to under WP admin. All right, let me double check to see if I don't have a php.ini. And it doesn't look like I do at this moment. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new file. And it's going to be called php.ini. As you can see, it's already popped up because I did it for other websites. All right, let's go down. Let's highlight. Let's go to edit. All right, all this is set up Okay, go to edit here. All right, now I can go to switch to code editor here, and basically just let's go ahead and we can copy and paste this code that's here. Control C, go back. All right, now I'm going to increase this to 256. 256. Okay, and we'll go to save. Success. Now what we'll do is, this may take some time, so I'll go back to my DeshaunJohnson.com file folder and let's see if it's done it immediately. If it didn't, it'll take some time. And if that's the case, then I will just come back later and see how long does it take. Oh, nope, it's instantaneous. Look at that. 256 megabytes. The change was very immediate. Did not have this problem. I probably won't be taking my church website off of HostGator because that would just be a hassle right now, and just going through the whole transfer of domains and making those phone calls won't happen. I just know in the future. But yeah, this is one of the main reasons why I promote JustHost. Well, yeah, maybe not main reason, but it's a very important reason why I'm promoting JustHost over many other hosting companies at this moment. I've been with JustHost since 2011, maybe exaggerate. It may have been like 2013, 2014 since I actually got my websites. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Why you should choose JustHost and why it's still important. DLJ works. For this matter, I actually have multiple domain names, as you can see, Deshaun Johnson, but I am Deshaun Johnson for DLJ Works. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget, after the video, go down to the description. Don't forget to click that show more button and check out my top 3 resources for hosting, email marketing, and for building a WordPress website from scratch, or to customize an existing theme any way that you want to. Once again, thanks for watching. DLJWorks.com.